Enjoy the LC2 Nature Walk, Lima Charlie 2. Here are the 3 L's. Of all the things we yearn to do, there is places to learn, places to earn. If you consider using your ears, at whatever stage of life you are, younger, older, elder, consider ways in which to leverage your being, having, and doing so as to celebrate and appreciate the leverage that you bring forth in being for the world, with the planet, from the whole. Sunrise at Cottonwood Gate. Just the side of the path through the cottonwoods. May peace be with all. Onward, may peace be with all. Moving from place to space in presence of Nine Bite Pond, Garter Rock, and Trembling Tor around the corner, where the sun crests in August and September, February and March. So does the wheel turn, so does the remembrance of another half year. So does the space inform the place. May peace be with all through the cottonwoods, just that side of the path. Thanks for joining me on this walk. A big request of you, please watch lots of channel videos. It helps us all. And when you comment, we can learn together. Take care.